Hello friends, in the last video I had introduced you to the Aari work and today we are going to do the actual Aari work. You can see that the khatli is ready, the cloth is spread over it and the design on which we are going to do the Aari work has also been drawn on the cloth. At the end of the khatli you can see that there is another cloth attached to the actual cloth because the cloth on which we are going to do the work was falling short and therefore I had to attach another cloth. It can be removed after the design is ready. Now friends, since it's a very dark color cloth, we are going to use the silver colored kasab. Here we are at the end of the thread we are going to tie the knot. Now you are going to hold the thread like this, and after doing that you take the thread right below the cloth. Pick up your needle and push it through the cloth and near the thread. After that you pull the thread up with the help of the needle. Now you have to fix the thread to the cloth properly so that it doesn't open up. For doing that, what you have to do, you push the needle near somewhere and again bring the thread up. Again push it down and at the same place you have to do it twice or thrice. So the cloth, the thread becomes fixed here. Now you can see a loop here. You place your needle inside the loop and push it back below the cloth. Now again pull up the thread which is down through the loop. You can see there is another loop, but the first chain has been formed. Now you put your needle through it, push it inside the cloth and bring the lower thread up through the loop. The second chain has also been formed. Again here you place your needle inside the loop, push it through the cloth, bring the thread up through the loop and you can see that there are 3 chains formed here. Now you can continue doing your work. Like this. We can bring it right at the end of the stem. Now here you want to stop and finish the work here. Again at the same place you have to bring the thread up and down twice and thrice so that it gets fixed up. You pull the thread up and cut it here. So this is the chain stitch and the beginning of the Aari work. Thank you.